Want to reverse engineer the success of LinkedIn's top voices and instantly tap into their massive networks? Let's break down how to master evyUS.com/creators in less than 2 minutes. Right at the top, you'll find a powerful search bar that acts as an automatic filter. Instead of scrolling through hundreds of profiles manually, you can instantly type in a specific name, topic, or company to locate exactly who you need. If you prefer to browse by category, click on Legends to explore high-profile business titans. Take Bill Gates, for example. The directory outlines his 35 million plus followers, weekly posting frequency, and high engagement metrics. Click Profile to view his full background summary, or use the direct buttons to visit his website and LinkedIn. But here is where the evyAI integration completely changes the game. Clicking Research this person or Look up this person in evyAI instantly redirects you to the evyAI chatbot to run an automated, comprehensive intelligence brief on them. Want to pitch his team? Just click See Who Works at gatesfoundation.org. and it instantly pulls up a clean list of target employees inside evyAI Find Prospects. Right next to that, the Top Experts section curates elite LinkedIn trainers and strategists like Joe Apfelbaum, making it incredibly easy for CEOs, entrepreneurs, and sales teams to find the perfect consultants to scale their presence. Moving further down, you can navigate through dedicated sections for evyAI creators, women, and browse all. Whether you are studying top creators like Dr. Chris Stout, best-selling authors like Angela Duckworth, or leadership experts like John C. Maxwell, the platform gives you an exact framework to replicate. Clicking View Content bypasses the clutter and sends you straight to their most recent high-performing LinkedIn posts so you can study their hooks and formatting. When you find an organization you want to break into, click their company domain button like UPenn or Maxwell Leadership to automatically source real decision makers within those institutions. Stop guessing what works on social media. Go to evyUS.com/creators, study the best on the platform, and let evyAI convert their inspiration into your pipeline growth.